Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Noah. This is sort of a little vlog. I'm not really used to this, but let's see how it goes. So, recently I have been thinking about what to do next. Not just what I'm doing now, which is a vlog for you guys, but also a bunch of more stuff. This is just like to do a couple of things and say that the reason why you see me standing up and it's following my face, it's because I'm using the Smove. This Smove is an amazing adapter, or like, not really adapter, but yeah, here it is. It's an extendable smartphone stabilizer, so it's a really nice stabilizer. And one of the features on this thing, which is not sponsored, but one of the features is that it's it tracks your face. So let's say move over here, moves over here, and you see Romeo. See Romeo and my dad. Romeo, Dad, say hi. Okay, so if I move over here, up, we're done. It extends, watch. So you see me now? What's up, guys? You're all the way up there. So, yeah, this is just to talk about what's next. And let's talk more about the Smove. Okay, so this Smove comes with a tripod, which I'm using now so you guys can see, and it comes in this case. This is where the thing fits, and that is where the tripod goes. So you put the Smove in here, put it in there. The Smove brings a charging cable that you can plug in with an adapter to your computer, laptop, or a wall plug, whatever. It doesn't matter. Oh, Smove really is great for videos because you can do vlogs and you can do a bunch of stuff. Hey Romeo, what you doing over there?
Climbing.
He's Spider-Man. Okay. So this is how the box looks like. So yeah. I would, for upcoming YouTubers, I would really recommend this. And you do wanna, and you guys do wanna do vlogs and do all this stuff, I would highly recommend this Smove. Watch. Look, I'm all the way over here. You'll see. Yeah, look. I'm just gonna extend you guys a bit. Watch, look, there you go. So this is really good for vlogs when you're showcasing something, you're doing tutorials, it's amazing for a bunch of stuff. I'm just here to show it off. Watch. So you see how it's at my face now? Now, boom. Can I focus? On Romeo.
So wherever I move, it will show there. So let's say
Look,
I move all the way
it
over
won't
here,
follow me. As long as the square, come here.
and the red square is on your face. You will know. If I go over here, it will follow.
Oh, look, you see? Now it's following me.
So now that it follows him, the camera's gonna go down. But if I twist it, but if I go to my angle,
and I move out of the way, and he taps the screen. Okay, wait, so just so you know, this thing has multiple features. This is just one out of, how many features does it have?
I don't know what your name.
It has object tracking, face tracking, slow motion.
It has,
So no matter what you do, whenever you turn one way, it will go that way. So put it on back on the wall.
so this thing has so many different features that I'm not gonna showcase them all today, but you'll see in the upcoming videos with Romeo's, mine, and my dad's Hiking Custom. There will be a lot more and a lot better quality videos for you guys to enjoy. You can also get the app. You literally just have to search up Smove on the App Store. So this Smove works for iOS and Android. So it doesn't matter what type of phone you have, it will work. But I would recommend using it with iOS. So this was just to showcase the Smove. So that's the vlog. See you guys later. Peace.